It should be like that.
Chairman, the still column should be yes, right? For this ASD shadow high.
Just let me again go to it. Yeah, this step should be.
Okay. So guys, this is again, loss of production. And going for, X operator action, operator needs to do investigation. And
Same. It will be, but the action will be higher than 30 minutes. Yeah, same as what we discussed, right? For the trips, we will consider P3. Yes.
Scenario of low flow, suitable action. So here we have more than 30 minutes, right? For ESD function trip.
Yes. Yeah, it's a trip function again.
And this is the ESD, as we discussed, ESD and others.
Yes.
And this is B only. This is B only.
Yes.
2B.
Right.
2B. Correct?
Yeah, it's B.
So here the 2B, if you see our matrix, where is matrix?
Yeah, it's a medium.
2B. So 2 means minor, minor means medium. It is a medium category and not urgent.
Not urgent. So it's P3. Again, it's the same. P3.
Yeah, true. This is HMA. And set point we have changed in percentage 20.8. Why percentage 20.8 of level? Huh? But this should be not in percentage in the meter, no?
This is percent.
Percent, okay.
Yes.
Percentage of vessel, you mean?
20%.
No. This we are saying.
This
Let us
is
say
level.
level high percentage means it should be in the meter or
The
something.
percentage related to the span of the level transmitter, I think.
Okay.
Am I right, Lulu?
No. What is this set point is in the percentage in terms
Percentage
of
the level
vessel.
span of the level transmitter. Am I right?
No, it is percentage of the tank height, I believe.
Height, yeah, tank height should be meter. It should be meter or
Yes.
centimeter.
It's not transmitter. Transmitter never
Yeah.
gives percentage. Transmitter will give
Yeah.
only a DP.
Even this also we need to check in meter. It should be meter.
Chairman, can you please check the alarm